times World Mind Mapping Champion, joined today by the 8 times World Memory Champion, explaining some of the most frequently asked questions that we get asked in competitions or in training. So our question that we've got for you today, Dominic, is can you explain for me the difference between the link system and the journey system?
Yes, the link system works by making connections between objects or items. So if you have shampoo followed by balloon followed by table, you imagine opening a shampoo bottle with a balloon inside, you blow up the balloon, it whizzes around and lands on a table. So they're all connected with each other. I gave an example of this in an earlier video. That's fine as long as you can remember all those links. If one of the links is missing, then you've got danger of the whole chain breaking down. Now, with the journey method, which is my preferred method, and I would say the vast majority of memorizers, particularly the top memorizers in the world, use the journey method. Each item is connected to its own location. So, for example, a simple journey might be around your house, starting with your front door gate, and then you go up to your front door, landing, kitchen, sitting room, so on and so forth. It's a logical order, and each of those items you imagine at each stage will stop along the journey. So you'd imagine opening your front door gate and there's a bottle of shampoo there. You go up to your front door and we need to imagine balloon, maybe someone's birthday, they've got a balloon hanging on the outside of your door. You open the door, you go in there, someone's left a table there in the landing, maybe it's a new table, and so on and so forth. Now, the great thing about that is, should you forget what happened at your front door, which was the balloon, you can continue the journey and then pick up the items as you go along. So you can imagine at the World Memory Championships, we have to memorize something like 300 words or as many as possible in 15 minutes. If you've got a link method, it's a bit risky trying to connect one to the next. Much easier having a journey because it's a bit like driving a car. Once you know the journey well, the car seems to know where to go. It becomes automatic. So it's like a runner, a track that you're on. And you simply imagine each of those items along the way. So you might make 1 or 2 errors, but at least you'll get the other 99% correct.
Thanks for that, Dominic. That's a really clear explanation of the uses and the benefits of using the journey system, which, as you say, is the system most often used by the world-leading mnemonists to set the world record, some quite phenomenal world records these days, of course. Thank you very much for that.